Hi, I'm Laycon, the new BBNaija Season 5 housemates in the house. Looking forward to meeting new people, sharing experiences, having new experiences, learning, having fun, being away from my phone, being away from the world itself and all the activity, just focusing on one particular thing. What happens is every time I'm having a conversation and I'm about to break the conversation, I basically just use this word basically to always try and let people know that, okay, so basically this is how it's going. Basically this is like, basically you get what I'm saying. So basically it kind of freaks me out to know that I have this thing, but basically I just feel like, basically that's the way I am. Having fun, meeting new people, new experiences, learning about myself in another dimension, because I like experiencing new things. I like pushing myself to see how I would fare in some situations. Failure of me not being able to leave an impact. One day I would die, then what happens after that? Like, would I have influenced enough people for them to also influence other people? Like, how many people would I have touched? What irritates me the most is having a conversation with somebody, asking a question, and they not giving an answer. Never would I ever be in a fist fight. Okay, obviously I'm going to use the money for my music career. My music career comes first, then